In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete videos and photos off your GoPro. This is really handy to do to make sure you have ample space for whatever projects you want to be shooting, and to make sure that you don't fill up the SD card and you're unable to get the shot. I'd also recommend that you get as big a SD card as your budget will afford. I'll put a link in the description to the SD cards that I would use and recommend, but my advice is just to try and get the biggest SD card that you can. Okay, so we're filming this on my GoPro Hero 9. The camera's turned on. What we're going to do now though is we're going to swipe up and we're going to go to our video library. So this is going to give us all the footage that we have on the camera. And we're going to click these 9 square dots in the corner of the screen, and this is going to give us all the media that we have on the camera. Now there's a couple of ways we can do this. We can click this tick at the bottom, so at the top right hand corner of the screen, and we can simply select the clips we'd like to get rid of. So let's just say I want to get rid of this clip here, and obviously you can go through your clips and decide which clips you no longer need, and then you want to click this dustbin at the top right hand corner, and you click delete, and then that video is now deleted from your camera. The other method, which I would only advise you do this if you don't want any of the footage on your camera, or you've already offloaded it onto a hard drive or somewhere you're going to be editing it, like the GoPro Quick app. You're going to swipe down, you're going to swipe across to the left, we're going to go preferences, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click reset, and from here you can reset and format your SD card, which I would only recommend if you're taking all the footage off your camera. So I hope that little tip was useful. So you can either delete your footage one by one, or you can select everything at once and get rid of it. My only advice would be just to make sure that you have it all saved and backed up where you're going to be editing or you want to save your footage to. Give this video a like if it helps you out, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye.